Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 8 to 14, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And happy birthday, happy solar return. It's Capricorn season. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. Ayan. So, let's see, Capricorn, what's up with you this week? What's up with the Capricorn? Energies for Capricorn. Wow, happy. Ayan, happy kasi it's Capricorn season. So you will be celebrating your birthday, going out with your friends, enjoying your life to the fullest. And maaari ring merong mga finally mga natapos na ng mga responsibilities sa inyo na you feel na parang gumaan yung pakiramdam nyo because nabawasan yung mga responsibilities na yan. Okay? So, let's see what else. Capricorn. You have Judgment. So, this is reinventing yourself. This is a brand new you. I feel like, you don't really care about what other people thinks about you, no? Para sa'yo, hindi mo na iniisip kung ano yung iniisip ng ibang tao sa'yo. For you, you want to be where you want to be and who you want to be. Yes. So, being true to yourself. This is a rebirth, bagong ikaw. I feel like, pwedeng itong start ng taon, nakaramdam ka na ng pagbabago sa sarili mo. Parang, naramdaman mo na, hindi na ikaw yung gaya ng dati, no? Somehow, may nag-shift, may nag-change sa'yo. So, there's like a transformation in terms of your, pananaw mo sa buhay, the way you carry yourself. Things changed. Temperance. You also, I think, isa rin sa magiging focus mo ngayong week na to is mas maging malawak yung pananaw mo sa buhay, yung pag-iisip mo, and also focusing on your health, especially your mental health. You have the Ten of Pentacles, focus on building more money, building more wealth. And I see you na mas i-establish mo ngayon yung financial stability mo. You have the Two of Pentacles, maraming work, maraming aasikasuhin. You are juggling things. I think some of you, kung iisa lang yung source of income nyo before, ngayon you are going to try multiple sources of income. You also have the Hermit. Some of you medyo iiwas sa maraming tao na yung tipong mas gusto nyong namnamin or i-enjoy yung sarili nyo, yung company nyo, your own company. And you find joy, happiness, peace, contentment kahit na mag-isa ka lang. So, for those na walang ibang kasama sa buhay or you feel like you are on your own, kumbaga mas may katahimikan para sa inyo. You have the Ace of Swords. So, this is a new idea na mag-open up for you. I also see you partnering with some people pagdating sa mga gusto mong subukang bagong endeavors like a business, bagong trabaho, pwedeng meron kang ikukonsulta na tao na kung saan very supportive sa'yo. You also have the Eight of Pentacles. Yes, work for you, Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo kahit na mismong araw ng inyong birthday, kayo ay magtatrabaho. Ganun kayo ka-committed sa inyong career, sa inyong business, sa inyong trabaho. Because you know na wala kayong ibang aasahan kundi yung sarili ninyo. And yun yung in-accept nyo na. No? That's why kapag wala tayong masyadong expectation sa iba, mas nakakaramdam tayo ng fulfillment. Alam nyo yun? Kasi okay ka na masaya ka na sa kung ano yung meron ka at sa ano pang kaya mong gawin. And it doesn't end there, no? Hindi yun yung katapusan. For you, it's limitless. Oo. So, pay attention rin sa iyong kalusugan. If there is something na you think na kailangan mo ng bigyan ng attention ngayon sa health mo, gawin mo na yan, magpa-check up ka na, magpa-konsulta ka na para hindi na siya maging problema in the future. Pagdating rin sa relationship, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng medyo undecided kayo if you are going to open up with someone, no? Kung papasok ka sa isang relationship, or pwedeng meron kang major decision sa connection mo ngayon, kung siya ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay moving forward, okay? So you are looking at your future and iniisip mo kung ito bang person that you are dealing with, siya ba yung nakikita mo na magiging suporta mo, no, in the future sa mga gusto mo pang gawin. With Jupiter and Scorpio in the 8th house, I see some potentials, opportunities when it comes to investments. Just make sure that lahat ng investments na susubukan mo ay pinag-aralan mo. May mga opportunities dyan like sa stock market, sa real estate, may mga investments na pwede kang subukan. That's why I think meron kang idea of partnering with someone or letting someone help you or i-mentor ka sa mga gusto mong subukan na projects or opportunities. Yung iba sa inyo parang hindi kayo ganun kakontento sa situation nyo, sa career, sa business, or sa finances nyo. That's why you want to expand. You want to expand what you really have. Yung iba sa inyo maaring magsa-start na mag-invest sa inyong portfolio sa social media or sa business niyo. Yung business niyo, you want to level up, no? Na dalhin siya sa social media, na mas makita siya ng mas maraming tao. You are manifesting your dream life in terms of your career. Always be always ask for parang other not actually other opinion but guidance, no? Through different forms of divination. Kapag mayroon kang major decision sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, lalo na kung meron ka namang alam on how to do that, no? Yung iba sa inyo magpapa-tarot read, yung iba you will connect to your higher self or ask for signs sa iyong mga spirit guides, sa angels mo if you believe in angels. So, meron ding yung iba sa inyo meron kayong romantic connection na you feel na hindi equal. Pwedeng sa tingin mo hindi niya natatapatan yung effort na ibinibigay mo sa kanya, or it's the other way around. Itong person na to feeling niya hindi mo natatapatan yung effort na binibigay niya sa relationship. So meron ding trust issues dito for some of you with your connections. Can be any type of connection, pwedeng romantic, pwedeng relationship with your kids, with your family, with your friends. So, pwedeng yun yung isa sa reason ng challenges sa connection ninyo. Some of you will also try to be more open, no? Pagdating sa mga bagong experiences na gusto nyong maranasan sa isang relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.